Good morning, students of class 2. Yesterday what did I teach you? I taught you all religious festivals and harvest festivals, correct? So today we will start with important days, the next page, okay? In your lesson, that is important days. What are the important days? Let us come and see what are the important days. So living with family lesson, today is the 20th. We will start with the next part of this chapter, that is important days. Some special days are celebrated by people all over the country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. People hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem on Independence Day and Republic Day. So what are they saying? There are some special days, okay, that is celebrated all over India. We all know now what it is. They are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, okay. And on these days, what do? We hoist the national flag and we sing the national anthem on Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay. Now, did you know school children from different parts of India also take part in the Republic Day parade that is held in New Delhi every year? So, school children from different parts of India take part in the Republic Day parade that is held in New Delhi every year. Okay. So, on 15th August, okay, 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. When did India get freedom from the British rule? 15th August 1947. This day was known as Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August to celebrate our freedom. Okay. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. So, Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August to celebrate our freedom. And on that day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Republic Day. The next important day is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. So, when is Republic Day celebrated? 26th January. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. Okay, when did India become a republic? On 26th January 1950. In a republic, people vote and choose their own leaders. So, in a republic, people vote and they choose their own leaders. Okay. There is a grand parade in New Delhi on this day. So, on this day, there is a grand parade in New Delhi. Okay. Now, let us come to the next important day. What is that? Gandhi Jayanti. Now, let us see. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He was an important leader who helped us gain freedom from British rule. So, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated when? 2nd October. Why? Because it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who was the father of our nation. And he was an important leader who helped us to get freedom from the British rule. So Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, which is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation, okay, and an important leader who helped us to get freedom from British rule. Is it clear, students? Okay, students, that's all for today. We have completed the lesson. The next day, I will give you the exercise work. I will do it for you, okay? And I hope the lesson is nice and clear to you. Below my video, the PPT of the lesson is there. You can download it to your device and read it at home well. Thank you, students, and God bless you.